Naima Lafan here, Amika's Global Artistic Director. We have here the Chameleon 5-Barrel Interchangeable Curling Kit. It has 5 interchangeable clip-free titanium barrels that heat up super fast. It also has an ionic core inside that minimizes frizz and maximizes shine. It has infrared heaters that really help seal in the moisture. And it also has a 360 swivel core that's going to prevent any tangling. We also have here a digital LCD screen display that ranges with heat from 250 all the way up to 450. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing you how to curl for volume. So to prep for this look, I'm going to start off with the Shield. It's an anti-humidity spray that's really going to help extend the life of our curls. So we're going to start with curling the front. I'm just going to subdivide the hair so that we're not taking sections that are too large. And I'm going to start here at the bottom. I'm going to subdivide this again into 2 sections. And we're going to start curling. So we're going to take our Chameleon and we're going to point the tip down. We're going to take the hair, lay it flat on the barrel, and making sure that it's flat on the barrel on all sides as we wrap it around. Completely flat on the barrel. Hold until it's fully heated up and release. So I just like to do a little tug on the curl just to make sure it's not too tight. And we're going to continue. For this curl here, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. So where the first curl went away from the face, the curl behind it is going to go in towards the face. But again, flat around the barrel. This is what is going to create that voluminous effect. And release. Moving on to the top here. Nice and flat. Once it's heated through, you can release. This front section right at the hairline, we always want to make sure that it's going away from the face with the curl for a more modern finish. If you wanted a more retro or vintage look, you can always curl it in towards the face. So again, nice and flat on the barrel, and wrap, wrap, wrap. Making sure that the hair does not twist at all. And release. We're going to just do the same technique all throughout the hair, again making sure that the hair that's at the hairline is curled away from the face. Now what we're going to do is we're going to finish off this look with some of the Amika Fluxus Touchable Hairspray. As I brush through her curls, I'm going to go in with some of the Fluxus to really lock in the curl.